My name is Taylor with MarineMax here in Dallas, and today I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our brand new 2021 Harris 230 Cruiser. So coming onto the boat, you've got storage under both your side seating here. Nice recessed cup holders as well. Put your phone and stuff back there, and also your drinks. As you can see, we put the interior lighting in here, so you have lighting on the floor as well as your cup holders. You do have a big ski locker in this boat, which is nice. Tons of storage down there. Coming through the boat a little bit more, we load this boat with a Fusion sound system. Also more storage under your helm. Perfect spot for a cooler. Coming back, looking at the dash here. Again, your Fusion head unit for your sound system, and also your 5-inch Simrad, which will have all your GPS and navigation, also a depth finder and fish finder on there too. We rigged these boats with active trim, so that motor back there will actually trim up and down by itself. This boat will hold 13 people. It's going to come with a nice black acrylic table. Perfect for entertainment back here. And this is the Sun Lounge layout. This is how we order most of our boats. This is a pretty cool seat here. It'll flip back and forth, so you can have riders back here while the boat's underway. Your main storage, though, is going to come back here under this seat. Tons of area back here for all your gear and stuff while you're out on the lake. So we put the ski tow bar on this. Do your water sports, tubing, all that good stuff. And then we put the 150 Mercury on this boat as well. So you've also got your stainless steel swim ladder there too. So this boat's rigged, 12-foot bimini. It's got everything you need for a good day on the lake. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, or better yet, stop by our showroom.